Today I didn't have much to do on videos, so I'm going to show you how to make a 1-minute Egg McMuffin with cheese. Because sometimes I just don't have time to go around and do everything I need to do and stop and sit down and eat lunch, so I want something fast and good. So what I have done is I take 1 egg, put it in a bowl, mix it up, put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. So that's done. I put me an English muffin in the toaster, put that down. So I take my egg and I put it in the microwave. I don't want to dirty up a pot or pan, so I'm going to dirty up my microwave. So I put that in the microwave for 1 minute. And we'll look at it here in a little bit, see how it's doing. But our English muffin is toasting up. I've got my cheese ready. I've got my mustard ready. And I can hear the egg cooking. Can you see that? Oh man, it's filling up that bowl too. Now one thing I do want to warn you about, this bowl gets hot. Look at it rising up to the occasion. So anyway, I was just goofing around doing this one day, just to see if I could make me a decent Egg McMuffin for lunch, because I didn't want to take time to go to the restaurant. And this is what I came up with. So now the cooking time for the egg is over. But like I said, that is very hot. My English muffin is toasted. Got to get that out of here. It's hot too. That baby's hot. So I've got my English muffin. I've got my egg. I gotta get a little bit of butter because the other butter's, my butter's out. Got me a brand new butter here. Oh, it's gonna give me trouble. I didn't know it was brand new. So I'm going to take me a little bit of butter and put on my English muffin. Okay. So now I'm going to take my cheese. I'm going to put it on the English muffin, like so. And then I'm going to get my trusty little mittens. I'm going to get this bowl out and set it down here. Because that is hot. Take my little plastic knife and go around the edges here a little bit. And look how nice and light and fluffy that egg is. And it's hot. I'm putting it on the cheese. And then I'm going to take me a little bit of mustard. I like mustard. Put just a little bit on top here. Let's get rid of that. And like that. And look at that. English muffin. How long did that take? I don't know. But it was only in the microwave for 1 minute. So there you go. English muffin. Couple minutes, you're done. No pots and pans. I'm gonna eat. Wow, that's hot. Oh, that's good. Don't you wish you had one? See you later.